Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Asslamoalaikum, sisters, brothers and friends. We are going to talk short story of Prophet Yunus. Bible name is Jonah. We are going to know about Prophet Yunus. Jonah. The Prophet Yunus, who was born in Naynawa, was sent as a prophet to the people of this nation. He was 30 years old when he became a prophet. The Prophet Yunus is also known as Ibn Matta, son of Matta. According to narration, Matta was his father's name, but according to another narration, it was his mother's name. He died 8th century BC. Tomb of Jonah, destroyed in Mosul in Iraq. Prophet Yunus, alias Jonah, was sent to the people of Naynawa. Those were accustomed to worshipping idols. When there was something wrong in the society, Allah sent His messenger to lead them on the right path. Prophet Yunus preached them and explained that Allah Almighty is one and only to be worshipped, but they believed in idols. They refused to accept the oneness of Allah Almighty. He tried hard, but this did not want to listen to him. Yunus got angry with them. The prophet warned them against the result of their stubbornness and misconnections. He said to them, if you worship idols, Allah Almighty, the glorified, will punish you people. But they did not listen. So Prophet Jonah left Naynawa and went away and initiated journey towards the Mediterranean Sea. He thought that Allah would punish them, but nothing happened so. Yunus continued his journey to the Mediterranean Sea. When Prophet Yunus left Naynawa, he was irritated. After some days, the persons of Naynawa saw terrible signs. The sky was full of black clouds. There was something like smoke in the sky. So when wise persons told them that Yunus was a nice and trustworthy and did not lie with us, he is messenger of one and only Allah Almighty. All the people repented because they knew the Allah Almighty will punish them. They asked for forgiveness, so the black clouds separated gradually, and then the clear blue sky began to appear. The sun shined again. The people of Naynawa rejoiced at Allah Almighty great mercy and the blessing of faith and life. When Prophet Jonah arrived in the Mediterranean Sea, he took a permission for traveling in it. When the ship reached in the middle of the sea, a hagfish attacked the ship. For preventing all Yunus jumped into the sea and fish swallowed him. When he opened his eye, he was in fish's stomach. Then he realized that he should not leave the Naynawa. He asked forgiveness from Allah Almighty day and night. His praise is known as At-Takrima. When fish reached on the island, Yunus was thrown back out of the fish stomach. Allah gave him healthy again and he came back to Naynawa and felt happy because he understood that his people had believed in Allah. Al-Nabi Yunus Mosque, Arabic Romanized Jamia Al-Nabi Yunus, was a historical mosque located in Mosul, Iraq, and continued a town believed to that of the Bible Prophet Jonah, known as Yunus by Muslims. So friends, Allah Hafiz.